Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Grenville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Hardin, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Bryan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. Here are the 11 a.m. observations for the region. At the Piedmont Triad Airport, haze was reported. The temperature was 80 degrees, the dew point 67, and the relative humidity 64%. The wind was northwest at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.02 inches and steady. At Winston-Salem, haze was reported. The temperature was 80 degrees, the dew point 66, and the relative humidity 62%. The wind was calm. The pressure was 30.04 inches and steady. Elsewhere across the region this hour, at Asheville, it was sunny with a temperature of 74. In Jefferson, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 71. At Mount Airy, it was sunny with a temperature of 79. At Charlotte, haze was reported with a temperature of 83. At Hickory, it was sunny with a temperature of 80. At Burlington, haze was reported with a temperature of 83. At Danville, it was sunny with a temperature of 83. In Raleigh, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of...
There we go. RWT number 1. Yeah. Oh, they actually test at the same time.
This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville, Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WMG 538, broadcasting near Linville on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, McDowell, Mitchell, Rutherford, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yancey. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Tone Alert Test. This is the National Weather Service Office in Blacksburg, Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 588 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashe, Watauga, and Wilkes. In Virginia, Grayson. In addition, we broadcast short-fuse products for the following counties: in Virginia, Washington; in North Carolina, Alexander, Avery, Caldwell, Catawba, Davie, Iredell, Surrey, and Yadkin; and in Tennessee, Johnson. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming.
Dang.